Hello friends, my name is Mohit and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of PySpark tutorial, and in this video we'll see how to create Databricks community account. So in my previous video we already went through the introduction to the PySpark and covered all the important points. So if you have not watched my previous video, then I suggest to watch that video as well in order to get much clear picture. Okay. So let's move to the next slide. So today we will discuss what is Databricks Community Edition, and second point is how to create Databricks community account. Now, what is Databricks Community Edition? So by definition, Databricks Community Edition is the free version of Databricks services, and this is very commonly used as we can learn and explore Databricks without any cost. So if you have any experience or if you have heard about Azure Databricks, that is nothing but the Databricks integrated within Azure. Okay. So if you create Databricks account there using Azure Databricks, then it won't be free. But if you are using Databricks Community Edition, then it is free and you can explore and learn about Databricks without any cost. Okay. And more interestingly, UI for Azure Databricks and Databricks Community Edition both are same. So we can explore and practice PySpark coding using any of them. But of course, if Databricks Community Edition is free, we are going to take advantage of that and we'll practice everything in our upcoming videos in Databricks Community Edition only. Okay. So let's move to the next slide. Now comes how we can create Databricks community account. So why we need to go with Databricks community account that we have already discussed. Its advantage we have discussed. So now let us learn how we can create this community account. Okay. So here I have mentioned a URL. If you navigate through this URL, it will open a page where if you already have an account, you can sign in or you can sign up if you don't have any account. Okay. So let's navigate to this URL. Let me copy and paste it. See, this URL will open this page, and if you already have an account, you can provide the detail and you can sign in. And if you don't have any account, then don't worry. Click on this sign up. Now, in this page, it will ask you to fill certain details. So let me fill it like first name Mohit, last name Singh. This is my mail address. Let me put this as a company name, and you can provide title as so you can provide title according to your title. Okay. Now phone number is optional. Let me provide the phone number here. Okay. Country is India. You need to click on this continue. Now after this, you will receive a mail from Databricks community on this mail ID, which you have provided here. And they will provide you a link in that mail. Click on that link. It will ask you to reset the password. Then reset your password and it will open a new page. So let me complete these steps. So first I need to open the mail which I have got from Databricks community just now after clicking continue. Okay. There they have provided a link. You can click on that link and we can reset our password. Okay. So let me do this. You can parallelly do as well. Okay, so I have completed all those steps which I mentioned just now, and now I am providing the sign-in detail. So this is my mail ID, and I have provided this password. Now click on this sign-in. So this will open the page somewhat like this, and here in left panel, if you see, there are multiple options. So just to let you know that this UI, the interface which you are observing, this is exactly same what we see if we create database account using Azure portal. Okay. So once you have created the account there, it will navigate you to this page only. So that's why the UI for both Azure Databricks and Database Community Edition both are exactly same. Okay. So here we have workspace option and compute options, catalog options, and there are like some quick links. We can go through these links in order to get some idea. Okay. So we will practice our PySpark coding in this community account only from our next video. Okay. And in our next video, we'll see how to create a notebook and how we can use that notebook in order to write PySpark code. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Let's meet in our next video where we will explore how to create a notebook and how we can start our PySpark coding using that notebook. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the new video updates. So please stay tuned. Let's meet in our next video.